Magandang araw sa ating lahat. Itutuloy natin ang ating topic sa ating subject na Law Enforcement, Organization and Administration. Our topic for this time, for our midterm is Republic Act 6975. What is this? The Republic Act 6975, also known as the ALG Act of 1990. Okay. What is Republic Act 6975? It is an act establishing the Philippine National Police under the reorganized Department of Interior and Local Government and for the other purpose. It is known as the LG Act of 1990. It implements the provision of Section 6, Article 16 of the 1987 Constitution. Some provisions of Republic Act 6975 dealing with PNP were amended by Republic Act 9263. Okay. What are the importance provision of RA 6975 that were not amended by Republic Act 9263 and Republic Act 697? Important provision of RA 6975 that were not amended by RA 8551, RA 9708, and RA 9263 included in the following. Okay. The policy of the state under the 1987 Constitution that the PNP shall in national in scope and civilian in character. And the organization of the Department of Interior and Local Government. And ang PNP daw is nasa under siya ng DILG. Yan. Isa sa tri-bureau ng DILG. Then sila ay national in scope and civilian in character. Yan po. Okay. The DILG shall consist the department proper with the following bureaus. Yan. May mga bureaus din po siya. May 5 po siya. Pero hindi pa ito yung 3 bureaus. Yan. National Police Commission or NAPOLCOM, Philippine National Police or PNP, Bureau of Fire Protection or BFP, Bureau of Jail Management and Penology or BJMP, Philippine Public Safety College or PPSC. Yan. Iyan yung mga department proper. Department proper lang po siya. Hindi po yan ang mga bureaus po siya. Ang 3 bureaus. Ang 3 bureaus po siya ay PNP, BJMP, and Bureau of Fire. Yan po yung tri-bureaus ng PNP. The rank classification of members of Philippine National Police, BFP, and BJMP. The rank classification and their corresponding ranks in military are the following. Yan. Yung halimbawa, yung private sa army ay police patrol sa PNP. Yan. Ito yung mga corresponding, yung katapat niya. Yan. Rank classification. Okay. Kung sa AFP, sa PNP, ang Police General ay may katumbas na general sa Philippine Army. And then, Police Lieutenant General ay may katumbas na Lieutenant General. Okay, kung mapapansin natin dito, sa mga commission officer, ang police, meron siyang katumbas na, sa unahan meron siyang police, kagaya ng Police General to Police Lieutenant. Then, dito naman sa Armed Forces of the Philippines, meron itong mga General, Major, mga ganoon lang siya. Then, dito sa PNP, may nakalagay siyang police. Dito sa Armed Forces, wala. Yan. Yung old na rank classification ng PNP ay yun yung mga PO1, PO2, PO3, yan. Yan yung mga yun. Pero merong Republic Act na nagpalit ng pangalan para sa mga ranggo. Yan. Ito na yung pumalit. Yan. Ito na po yung ngayon. Hindi ko na masyadong i-discuss to kasi self-explanation naman na yan. Okay. The rank classification of members of PNP and their corresponding classification in Bureau of Fire and Bureau of Jail. Yan. Ito yung mga yon. Okay. Hindi ko na din masyadong i-discuss. Then titignan na lang. Hindi naman tayo masyadong magtututok dito. Ang tututukan natin dito is yung mga personnels po. Yan. Ito yung sinasabi nilang Tri-Bureau ng DILG. Okay. Sa commission officer, ang pinakamataas ay ang pinaka-lower sa commission officer ay sa police is police lieutenant. Sa BFP naman, fire inspector. Sa BGMP naman is jail inspector. Then pataas po yan. Then sa PNP ang pinakamataas is police general. Dito naman sa Bureau of Fire is fire director. Ang BGMP is jail director. Okay. Itong police general ng PNP ay consisting of 4 star. Yan, naka 4 star po yan. Pero dito po sa BJMP and BFP, hanggang 2 star po ang fire director and jail director. Okay. The powers and function of PNP are the following. Okay. To enforce all laws and ordinances relative to protection of lives and properties. Ito yung mga powers and function nila, yung mga ginagampanan nila. And to maintain peace and order and take all necessary steps to ensure public safety. Yan. To investigate and prevent crimes, effect the arrest of criminal offenders, bring offenders to justice and assist their prosecution. Yan, namamagit na po yung mga pulisyan. Hindi po sila agad-agad yung nagdesisyon. Korte po yung nagdesisyon. Yan, ang ginagawa lang po ng ating kapulisan ay nag-i-investigate. To exercise the general power to make arrest, search and seizure in accordance with the Constitution and pertinent laws. Yan. Nagkakandak sila ng arrest and search and seizure. And sila po yung nagkakandak. To detain an arrest person for a period not beyond what is prescribed by law, informing the person to detain of all his right under the Constitution. Yan. Sila din po yung sa mga presinto, meron din pong kulungan. And sila po yung nagdetain habang ongoing yung kaso. Parang habang hindi pa nafa-filean ng kaso. After na ma-filean ng kaso, then nasa judge na yon kung saan ipupuntang jail. Okay. To issue license for possession of firearms and explosive in accordance with the law. Okay. Nabibigyan sila ng firearm para maprotektahan. Pangit naman kasi yung police nagpapatrol tapos walang dalang firearm kasi risky din po sa buhay. Sabi nga nila, pag nagpulis ka, nag-PNP or BJMP or fire, nasa hukay na, paglabas mo ng opisina o ng bahay, nakahukay na ang isang paa. Yan yung mga kataga na sinasabi nila. To supervise and control the training and operation of security agencies and issue license to operate security agencies and security guards and private detectives to practice in their professions. Okay. Nagkakandak din sila ng training para sa ating mga security. Meron sinasabing PNP SOSHA. Yan. Matatakol yan sa security management. Sa isang subject nyo din na security management. Next time matatakel nyo yon. To perform such other duties and exercise all other functions as may provided by law. Yan. These are the ito yung mga powers and functions of Philippine National Police. Okay, next. These are the organization of officers and different offices of Philippine National Police. Yan. The Philippine National Police shall have the following heads. Yan. May mga heads din po ang PNP. The first officer in command in PNP is the PNP Chief with the rank of Director General. Yan. Siya po yung pinakamataas sa ating mga pulis. Yan. Ang Director General ay tinatawag na Chief PNP. PNP Chief. Yan. Siya po yung PNP Chief. The PNP Chief is appointed by President from among the senior officers down the rank of Chief Superintendent, subject to confirmation by the Commission of Appointments, to serve a term of office not exceeded 4 years. However, in times of war or other national emergency declared by Congress, the President may extend such term of office. Yan. Dito sa ang PNP Chief, may 4 years po yan na term. Then, halimbawa may national emergency. Ano ba yung mga national emergency na yan? Threat to national security, mga ganyan. May extend po yan sa kanyang term. Depende na po yan sa ating presidente. Yan. Sa atin, dito sa Pilipinas, yung term ni President Rodrigo Duterte, inappoint niya si Bato, General Bato na sinasabi. Then natapos na ang kanyang 4 years, then may pumalit naman. Yan yung sinasabi nila. Yan yung sinasabi ng book na 4 years. Yan. He shall be in charge in command and direction of the PNP. In particular, he has the following powers and function. Ang PNP Chief may power and function din yan. To direct and control tactical as well as strategic movement, deployment, placement, utilization of the police of its unit and personnel, including its equipment, facilities, and other resources. Yan. Dapat kaya niya i-direct and control ang kanyang mga kapulisan. Okay. Such command and direction may be delegated to subordinate officials with respect to the units under their respective commands, in accordance with the rules and regulations prescribed by National Police Commission or NAPOLCOM. In the exercise of his power, the NAPOLCOM issued a memorandum circular stating that the power of PNP Chief to reassign, transfer, or relieve PNP observance of due process. In other words, the power of PNP Chief to reassign, transfer, or relieve PNP personnel is his own discretion which cannot be questioned. Yan. Ang ating PNP Chief may kakayahan niya mag-relieve sa ating mga PNP personnel. Yan. Or mag-transfer. Ipupunta sa ibang lugar. Halimbawa, si Juan nasa Luzon, may ginawa siyang kalokohan. Ngayon, i-relieve siya doon, ipupunta ngayon siya sa Mindanao. And then, cannot be questioned na yan. Hindi na mako-question na yan. May due process naman nagsasabi yan. Okay. To issue detailed implementing policies and instruction regarding personal funds, properties, records, correspondence, and such other matters as may not be necessary to carry out the function, powers, and duties of the Bureau. One of the acts already accomplished by PNP Chief in furtherance of this power was the direction of the former PNP Chief Raul Bacalzo, prescribing some guidelines of the provisional utilization of social networking sites in support to the PNP mission. Said guidelines provided in part that PNP members may be allowed to create personal accounts to the social networking sites, provided that no official information relating to PNP shall be posted. Ayon kay PNP Chief Raul Bacalso, mga PNP personnel may pwede magkaroon ng mga personal accounts. Okay, thank you for the listening in my lecture. So, sana may napulot kayong aral. And then, next meeting, ay itutuloy natin ang 6975 ang ating